Happy Thursday, beautiful people. I hope that everyone is having a blessed and beautiful day. This video is not going to be very, very long because I am about to run in the Wally World before I head to the gym. Y'all can see I got on my Planet Fitness shirt. They gave me another one yesterday when I was up in that piece. So I said, let me wear it today. You know what I'm saying? So I got on my Planet Fitness shirt. And y'all, look, I know I said I wasn't going to weigh myself. And I'm not going to do it no more. I'm not going to do it again, I promise, until the end of the month. I'm serious. I hope. I don't know. But I done lost 2 more pounds. Boo. 2 more pounds. Where this stuff is coming from, family, I have no idea. I'm like dead serious. Because, of course, when I look at myself in the mirror, I still see this fat girl. So where the weight is coming from, I have no earthly idea. But I am down 2 more pounds. And when I came downstairs, the juice man was like, are you about to weigh yourself again? I was like, yeah, I am, but I'm not going to do it no more. I'm for real. So he actually got the scale. I mean, if I wanted to find it, I'm pretty sure I could. But he got my scale and he put it somewhere. I told him to hide it from me because I don't want to weigh myself again until the end of the month. All right. You guys know that my goal is to hit 199 by my birthday, which is July 24th. And I'm well on my way there. If I just stay the course, I stay getting my workouts in at the gym. I stay eating the things that I'm supposed to eat. Oh, I want to let you guys know a little bit of a nugget. Like I said, I know I am new to keto, but if anybody out there is keto, look, if you have a busy life, you're on the go, you work or whatever, and sometimes you're not able to take your prepared meals with you, get you a Southwest avocado salad from Wendy's. They're keto friendly. Just make sure you don't eat the tomatoes because eating too many tomatoes it can be a little bit higher in carb. But everything else on there is keto approved. And baby, when I tell you that salad was everything, okay? Literally everything. And even the little half size, and that's what I had. I got the little half. They also sell it in the full. I don't think it's necessarily worth it in the full because it's like $6.99 if you get the full salad. But for the half salad, it's $4.99, and I think that is plenty. I was plenty full. Get that if you're on keto. Even if you're not on keto, try that Southwest avocado salad at Wendy's because it is thebomb.com. Even with the dressing that they give you, it's a little bit spicy, but try that. What else did I want to tell you? Because like I said, this is going to be a really, really quick video because I need to run to Walmart, then go on to the gym. The work at home jobs. There is a work at home job over on my website. Hopefully they haven't removed the link. It was still there yesterday. I just found it yesterday. But Kelly Connect is actually hiring chat agents to help with technical support. So you'll be helping people with things like email issues, username and password issues, different things like that. They actually pay you in training. I think it's $14 to $15. I'm paraphrasing right now. I might be wrong on these numbers, but I think it's $14 to $15 per hour for training. And then after training, you'll be making $15 to $17 per hour. And I did not see any state restrictions. So it looks like you can live anywhere in the United States and actually work for them, for Kelly Connect. So go over there if you're interested in a non-phone job. And this is chat. Okay, so you'll be chatting with people, helping them with technical support issues. And also, if you have not checked out that video that I made yesterday about how you can easily make $50 on this freaking app, family, this girl reached out to me yesterday. She said, thick chick. She said, thick chick. She said, baby, you just blessed my whole life, okay? She sent me a screenshot. Why did this girl make like $925 in one? I just posted that video yesterday. She made $925 since I don't know what type of people she know. I don't know if she real popular. I don't know if she done went to college and got everybody to do this. I don't know. But she made $925 since yesterday. Forget a 50. Like I said, I don't know. Maybe she got a huge family. Maybe she was showing up, calling around. I don't know. But this girl showed me a screenshot. $925 in one dizzy. Okay? This thing ends June the 12th. Y'all better go get this free money. Like I told y'all, it is free. I've done my research. It's kind of like Ebates. Okay? I'll leave the link down in the description box for you to go to check out my last video, and it'll explain everything to you. But it's kind of like Ebates. All you do is you sign up for the app, and a lot of people are like, well, how are they able to pay people to do this? I'm pretty sure 99.9% sure that they are actually like an affiliate of these stores. So by them promoting the stores, having people coming and shopping at these stores like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Big Lots, they actually get a commission from referring people to these stores to get cash back. So them paying us $10 just to get a person to download the app and upload a verified card. Like I said, I explained all of this in that video, and I'll leave it down in the description box. But they will literally pay you $10 for everybody that you get to join the app and link a verified credit card or debit card. And the reason why you have to link a verified debit or credit card, and it's not a scam, I did it myself, all right? And I did it for my mama and my friend too, and my sister and everybody else, okay? Look, it is not a scam. All you do, the reason why you have to link this card is because whatever card that you link, every time you go to one of those approved stores, every time you swipe that card, they're going to give you cash back on your app for that card that you used that was linked to this app. Okay, it's 100% legitimate. Folks out here making bukus of money. I remember they had a promotion going a couple of months ago where it was $25 if you actually got somebody to sign up. So I hate that I called it a scam then when it was $25, because baby, just imagine how much money this girl would have made with $25 as the referral bonus. But like I said, y'all go get y'all some of that money. I don't care if you go to work and you tell your coworkers. I don't care, especially if you work in like a plant. Baby, okay, go to your job, tell them people, look, okay, this is the truth, okay? We need some extra spending money. We trying to go on a couple vacations this summer. Let's get this money, okay? Even if you go to church on Sunday, it'll still be going on. I think you'll have a couple of days. When is the 12th? I'm not sure, but call everybody. Even if you had to get it, get Billy Bob down the street to do it, that's 10 bones. So again, I will leave the link to that video down in the description box so you guys can go check it out. If you have not checked it out, it is the bomb. But $925 in one day. I'm blown away for real. But anyway, family, that's all I have to say. I need to run to Walmart to get me some avocado, give me some more water, and that type of thing. And then I'm about to head on over here to this gym, get these 4 miles in. I am running a little bit late because I was supposed to go over there at like 4 this morning. But baby, that bed was feeling too good to me. Okay, it was feeling way too good. And plus, I was up working late last night, so I already knew that I wasn't gonna get up at 4 o'clock to go to the gym. I said I'm just gonna have to go a little bit later and have to deal with the crowd. So annoying. They are opening another gym here called Crunch Gym. Never heard of that before, but apparently they're gonna be a 24-hour gym as well, and they're only gonna be charging $9.95 a month. So it's gonna be kind of similar to Planet Fitness. So hopefully a lot of these people who are members of Planet Fitness, hopefully they go over there so I can actually get in on the weights, because every time I go into the gym, all these, and I'm not trying to be funny, but all these big muscle dudes who really don't need to be lifting no more weights, you already look like you about to explode, okay? You look like you literally one pump away from exploding. Just sizzing. Golly. So you can't even get on the weights because they just overtaking everything. I don't get it. I don't understand it. It's annoying, okay? I'm tired of using them 60-second machine things. I want to lift some actual weights. Okay, stop hogging the weights, fellas. Ladies like to lift weights too. Just saying. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Check out that video down in the description box. Go get you some of this money, honey.